Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Avatar Frontiers of Pandora game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, lagging, freezing or black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So what you need to do is just launch Steam and search for the game in the store option. After that, go below. From here you will find the system requirements so that you can play the game easily. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, come back, type -dx12 and then try to play the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card, so make sure your graph up to date. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers, and after updating, try to launch the game. So NVIDIA and AMD users or Intel users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So Steam users, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. Now after that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If not, don't worry, click on allow another app. Now click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If not, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this is working. If this also doesn't resolve, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If the problem still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, click on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay or MS Afterburner, then you should disable them. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. Next is to clear download cache. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on downloads. After that, go below. Here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So this will clear your local data cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So you have to confirm it. After confirming it, you need to log into Steam once again and then click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once the file is downloaded, open this and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Once you get it, close this and then restart your PC once. Now after restarting, again log into the game and check if it's working and you can play it. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if your system has any kind of antivirus program installed, then you are suggested to disable them before launching the game. This will surely help you to resolve the problem you are coming across and you can play the game without any further problem. Next is to install DirectX. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below, click on the download option, and this will download DirectX on your system. After that, click on it and install this. Once installed, now restart your PC once. After restarting, log into the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game, and here you will find enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, launch the game and check. Same for GeForce Experience users. Open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now click on click on add desktop app. For that, you have to click on add desktop app and then go to the game folder, select the game application and add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and once done, now try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So once the game is uninstalled, now restart your PC once. After restarting your PC, again launch Steam and reinstall Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the Ashes game once again and click on the play button to check whether you can play it now or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.